Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week. In the description box below are all the links to the blog posts or videos where these creations originally appeared. And if you wanted to see any more photos or more information, that's where you'll find it. So let's get busy. Excuse me, goodness. I'm not going to do these in order this week because I don't remember the order. But I know that this was Saturday for Craft and Kimmy Saturday Challenge, which was inspired by a song or a movie, which to begin with kind of threw me. But then once I figured out my card, then I had 1,000 ideas. But I used the Welcome to the World stamp set, and my movie that I was inspired by was Storks. Has a new baby. I originally had this colored up and it was so dark, so I went over it with white colored pencil and I think it turned out pretty good. Some old paper from my stash, and then there's the inside. I really like how that turned out, and I think it will be fun for some expecting parents or parents that just have a new baby. For the Build Your Stash holiday Card Maker's Linky Party, I used some new digital stamps from Angie Bloom, Joy and Noel. I colored this up. It has lots of shine and sparkle on it. The paper is from the Paper Pad Club from Not Too Shabby. I think that's still available. And I just have a banner on the inside. Again, so super sparkly and shiny. And then the Noel, I went with more of a different color palette because I was having fun. Again, very sparkly, shimmery, shiny. And the paper is older paper from Not Too Shabby. Lots of those wavy stitched dies. I am really loving those. And then last Saturday I was on Crafty Elle's Oh So Inspired. Not my finest night. I just was thrown, I think because this die, I don't know if you can see it, is very intricate, and it just kind of threw me for a loop. But this is what I created, and it will be off to the winner soon. I did add some stickles to it after the show was over, and I did put that on the inside. I used heavyweight cardstock for the base, and man, with all those layers, it is really a sturdy card. So there is that one. And then I had tag fun, which you'll be seeing lots and lots of tags. If you haven't watched any of my videos lately, I am tag obsessed. So I used the October 2022 box of the month for my tags. There are videos for these. This is my favorite, I think, because it's a shaker tag, and I'm just so proud that I figured out how to do that. It's the little things in life, right? So there are my tags using that. And they were super fun. And if you haven't watched my videos, on Monday, I will be back to share all the details of my tag a day in November. I have been more than obsessed acquiring tag dies and ideas in my brain swirling around. So I decided to do a tag a day in November. I am also going to attempt to do a video a day sharing these tags each day in November. So that should be fun. But I will get all the details to you on Monday, so definitely come back. And maybe you want to play along. Obviously, you don't have to do a tag a day, but if you want to do a couple here and there and share with me, that would be awesome. Always like to see other crafters' ideas and be inspired. So there are all my creations from the week. Wasn't quite as busy of a week. I wasn't feeling the greatest, but still got some stuff done. All right. So until my next video, thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a super crafty day.